the last class we have learned that what is office layout and factors determining office layout and objectives of office layout. Okay, so what do you mean by office layout? Office layout is nothing but arranging the furniture and equipment within available floor space. Office layout is nothing but a layout is nothing but a area. Layout is nothing but a area. In that area, how best we can arrange the equipments and men material and things. Okay, how best we can arrange 3M's: men, material and machineries. Okay, so to utilize how best we can utilize by arranging all these things within available floor space is nothing but layout, is nothing but office layout or layout. And we also see that the factors determining office layout. Okay, so with good office layout, so many advantages are there, okay. So nature of the employment work, size, lighting and ventilation, okay, free movement, confidential work, absence of noise, so that the organization get good results with a proper office layout, okay. So the employees move around the office very freely, okay. So many people will come to the office, okay, for information, okay. So the office layout must be in a proper way, in a proper manner, okay. In this class I am going to explain importance of office layout, okay. So this is a picture of office layout, good office layout, okay. Right, next, importance or advantages of good office layout, right. First one, it promotes economy. A good layout provides the most economic and effective use of available floor space. A good office layout provides the most economic and effective use of available floor space, okay. Then next, it leads to cost reduction in office. It leads to reduce somewhat cost in maintaining the office, okay. Then it promotes efficiency. A properly laid out office promotes efficiency since it is based on flow of work. A properly laid out office promotes efficiency since it is based on flow of work. The documents follow the shortest route causing smooth flow of work. Then effective supervision. A good layout helps in better supervision. It brings down the burden of supervision and its cost too. Effective supervision or good supervision. A good layout helps in better supervision, okay. A manager can supervise all his employees, all his office routine works effectively with a proper or good layout. Then optimum use of machines and equipment. The layout provides for joint use of machines and equipment. Some machines like printer, computers, some almaris need to be maintained jointly. 2 or more employees can use some machines like Xerox machines, okay. So if that machine arranged in a proper manner, that can be used by both or 2 or more persons, so that it is very convenient to them to use it very closely, very effectively. So that also can be done by good office layout, okay. That is the meaning of optimum use of machines and equipment. Then speed of intercommunication. A good layout speeds up intercommunication since activities in office takes place in a sequence. Generally, in an office, any information from top to bottom or bottom to top will move from one table to another table, will move from one table to another table. Okay, if the office good office layout is proper or good, if the office layout is in a proper way or in a good way, then the communication will be very fast. Communication or processing of information from person to person or table to table, it is very good. Okay, and it is the shortest way. Then production planning and control. Time required to prepare a document or obtain information can be estimated. Work can be planned accordingly. Okay, if they are in a good layout, good systematic manner, good arrangement of tables and employees, they will have a discuss about their activities and plans in a proper way. Okay, lesser cost of lighting and cooling, etc. Okay, a properly laid out office reduces the cost of permanent fixtures and equipment. Running and maintenance cost of systems also come down. Okay, a good layout or good office layout provides somewhat cost reduction in lighting and cooling, etc. Some ACs are there in the office. Okay, the people are around nearby one by one, so with a little bit space to move around them, so then one AC is enough in a small office. Okay, so that the office layout should be based on that less lighting and cooling, so that the cost will be reduced. Okay, so better moral. A well planned office provides workers comfort and boost their moral. A well planned office provides workers comforts and boost their moral. A bad office layout increases their fatigue and tension. Okay, a bad office layout increases fatigue and tension. Then better goodwill. A well planned layout impresses the visitors at first sight, promotes organization's goodwill in customers' mind. A well planned layout impresses the visitors at first sight, promotes organization's goodwill in customers' mind. Okay, better office layout. Okay, this is about the importance of office layout. Okay.